how to make sterling handmade silver rings. Voila. Okay, first what you need to do is decide on what type of material you're going to wear, and in this case it's sterling silver. Now this is in a coil right here. This is 16 gauge sterling silver wire. Ooh, all right. So let's take this away right now. So from that, I've cut a piece of sterling silver wire at a desired length, right? So from this, you take and decide on what tool you're going to use. So for this, I'm going to take these like needle nose pliers right here, and I am going to go halfway. There's a little fuzz on there. I'm going to go halfway down it. I'm going to pull it towards me. What you guys see right there. Pull it like that. All right, sorry about the background noise. The children are home, but I'm pretty sure all your children are home as well. I'm going to take these flat nose pliers here. I'm going to take them. All right. And go about halfway here. And then so you guys can see that. Go about halfway at this point here. Bend as well, you can see it. All right, right there. Let me straighten this up just a little bit. Now this ring here that I'm doing now, it's like one of my V rings. All right, so I'll take my mandrel and I'll place it on my mandrel. And here, you know, I'm going for a smaller ring, so I'm staying closer to the smaller sizes, and I'm taking and I'm bending this around. All right. So there you have, and let's come back to the center. There you have the V ring. Wear it like that, a little bit like that, on your finger. So now here's the other part. I take some cutters and I find approximately the center point of one of the wires, which is in between the V. Let's get you guys like that so you can see, right? In that V, and I snip it. Then I find another, flip the pliers and find another flesh part, snip it. Sorry, I didn't want that to fly everywhere. And so then you have that cut right there. A clean cut. Then you do a little bit of bending and pushing and stuff like that so it'll fit flush. See, and then you have something like that. Let me see it, try and focus this in a little bit better for you guys. Using manual focus because of the glare of the light and the metal and stuff like that, so it'll stay in place. So that's that V ring there. And that's how you make a sterling silver handmade ring, right? Now there's some other things we're gonna do to this, we can do to this, and I'll show you. Okay, the next part is we got these two ends to meet together. Well, and I like squeeze it in so it applies pressure right on the seam, right there. So this right here is sterling silver easy solder paste, right? Say that really quick. And what I do is I actually take it and I put it on the joint right here. And I'm using a little pick that I picked up. Okay. I'm sorry, you guys, my humor. All right. So, I don't use a flame. You know, it gives my pieces a unique look. I don't use a flame. This cord that you see there, I use a kind of like a MIG welding type thing, like a little mini, right? So what it is I hold on to it one end And then I take this probe right here and touch the other end. And I have a foot pedal that you guys can't see up under the bottom. And I put it together like that. Now look for it to flow a little bit. Don't touch this, it's very, very, very hot. Take a little tug. It's water right over here. Drop it in there so it'll cool off. Move that stuff out the way. Take it out the water. Rub it with my finger. See, nice, tight, and sturdy. It's there. So there you have it. Throw it on that hand, on that ring. And you know what? I get a lot of comments about using lotion on my hands. I'm sorry I don't have great looking hands. But also this board that I'm on leaves white dust, so it makes my hands look really ashy. All right, so I got this right here, right? So my next step that I would do to this is put it in the pickle solution and leave it in there for a good half an hour. If you leave it in there too long, it'll discolorate. It's a pain to get it back to where it needs to be. But I would put it in the pickle solution for about a half an hour. After that, I would put it in a tumbler for about an hour. After the tumbler, then I have a buffer that I will put it in the buffer, and then you would have the finished product. All right, thank you. And once again, this is how to make handmade sterling silver rings. All right, have a great day.